Hello friends, welcome to Think VI Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a VPN service. We need a VPN server or a VPN connection to access our resources which are deployed in private subnet. Suppose you have two subnets. You have two subnets on AWS cloud. First one is private subnet and second one is public subnet. You can directly access the resources which are deployed in the public subnet. But what about the private subnet resources? You need a jump server or you will need a VPN server. So in today's video, we're going to see how we can deploy a open VPN server on AWS platform so that we can connect to that server and access our private resources on AWS platform. The second benefit of the US based or VPN server, that we will get IP address from the remote location. Suppose you have some resources or you have any URL which are accessible only from a US based IP address. So in that case we can create a US based VPN server and we will connect to that server, and then we can access the resources which are required a US based IP address. So without wasting a time, let's quickly jump to our AWS console and see how we can deploy a VPN server on AWS platform. For that, we need to click on EC2 service. We need to change our region from Mumbai to North Virginia. So I will click on instance and I will click on launch instance. I will click on browse more AMIs. Here I will search for OpenVPN. Okay. I will select the first option and I will select T2 micro as it's free tier eligible instance. I'll create a new key pair. I'll select the PPK file since I'm on Windows platform. I'll keep the most of the setting default and I'll click on launch instance. Meanwhile, my instance is getting launched, so its status is pending right now. It will take few minutes to become online. It is in running state. So I will do one thing. I will copy the IP address and I'll launch my putty application. I accept it, and now as a username I have to type open VPN S. Yes, and you can see I'm connected to the server. Now it will ask us few configuration questions. So we have to type yes. So in this option, it will ask us what will be the port number for admin UI. So right now it's 943. So I'm going with the default setting, and 443 for the VPN connection. So we have to type password here. So now activation key, we have to keep it blank, and it will configure our VPN server. So it's done. So now I have to paste this IP address into my browser. I'll say continue to site, and we have to remember that admin port was 943. So it's asking us username password. So our username will be OpenVPN, and password which we set earlier. No. So go to admin panel, and we'll create admin login. Okay. We have to agree the agreements. As you can see, we have two VPN connection allowed. If we want more, then we can purchase activation key, and we can activate additional VPN connection from here. We'll go to user management. We'll go to user profile, and we can create a new user. So I'll create with the name ThinkBI, and save it. Once we have saved the setting, Now we can go back to user profile, and we can see our Think VI user is created. So we scroll it down. More setting, and we can set a password for newly created account. So I can save the setting. Okay. So now I will log out from here, from the admin panel, and I will re-log in using the normal account. So I'll log out completely. Okay. Now Think VI is the user which we create earlier, and its password. And click on sign in. I don't want to save the password, and I will download the VPN client for my platform, which is the Windows. So my VPN client is downloaded. I will double click on it, and I'll install this VPN client. As you can see, our Think VI connection is already added into this profile, into this VPN client. I just need to toggle this switch, and before that I would like to show you what is my current IP address. So my current IP address is this. Okay, let's close this window, and I will switch it on. Okay, so I'm connected to this VPN server, and I will go back again, and I'll check my IP address, and you find that my IP address is same as this one, 100.26. Look, 100.26.233.28. So that means I'm virtually connected to US based IP address. Now my browsing will happen using this IP address. I hope you like this video. Request you to please press the bell icon and click on the subscribe button for more such tech videos. Thank you so much.